About India and Nepal, the two countries are all set to hold formal talks in Kathmandu to review New Delhi's development projects in the country. India will be represented by its envoy to Nepal, Vinay Mohan Quatra, while Nepal's delegation will be headed by Foreign Secretary Shankar Das Bairagi. The talks are expected to begin by 10:15 a.m. Indian Standard Time and will last for around 2 hours. The Indian government has described the meeting as part of regular interactions between the two sides. On the agenda will be India's various economic undertakings in Nepal. These talks, which are being referred to as the Scheduled Oversight Mechanism, were set up in 2016 to review bilateral ties. This will be the first formal engagement between India and Nepal since the border dispute between the two nations. But the mandate of today's talks does not permit any political discussions. There were positive signs ahead of the talks, as Nepal's Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli spoke to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the first time in months. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi assured his full support for Nepal's COVID-19 response and recalled the cultural and civilizational links between the two countries. While Nepal's Prime Minister Oli, on his part, congratulated Modi on India's election to the UN Security Council as a non-permanent member. In an exclusive conversation with WION, Nepal's envoy to India reaffirmed the close and friendly ties between the two countries. He said that India and Nepal are capable of sitting down and resolving any contentious issues. Our diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal gets us this report. Listen in.
India and Nepal will sit together for talks which will focus on the follow-up of the development projects India is taking in Nepal, the development projects, and this coming at a time when both the Indian Prime Minister and Nepali Prime Minister spoke to each other on Saturday. Largely the talks were on the COVID crisis. It was at the request of Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli, and he greeted the Indian Prime Minister on India's Independence Day. But largely these two developments come amid strained ties between Kathmandu and New Delhi. We know that relationship hasn't been in positive terrain when it comes to government relationship between Kathmandu and New Delhi. This after Nepal came up with a new map that showed Indian territories as Nepali territories, and India had strongly reacted, saying that this is a cartographic aggression. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.